my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots.
Islamabad Airport.
Waiting for our next flight to Skardu. Very first experience. Our little aeroplane. At this moment, hold mobile for an hour, just to record this fascinating time lapse. That's super gorgeous. Taking our luggage. This our hotel, where we'll stay. Inside view of hotel.
A few inches later.
Way to Kharpocho Fort. You can see this beautiful Skardu bazaar. Beautiful city between mountains. Reached Kharpocho Fort. Here we trekked for 2 hours.
I came and went like a wave, I went like a wave, oh. I came and went like a day, in the night I was away, oh. And so much I've seen, great friends I've known, but no place I've been or feel home.
This is something beyond expectations.
As long as she needs me, oh. she sings.
After a lot of traveling, we're tired. See you in our next video. Kachura Lake. Trout fish farm between frozen blind lake.